Know the prince who won the heart of the world by saving a bird, who lived in great luxury. On this prince refused to use the car. Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Crown Prince of Dubai, has been in a lot of discussion recently. In fact, the bird had made a nest on the windshield of his Mercedes, after which Prince refused to sit in that car so that the bird could comfortably raise his family. Now he has put a video on Instagram in which the bird in the car is seen along with its children. Since then, Prince is getting a lot of praise. No, who is the prince who is in discussion everywhere? Born in November 1982, Sheikh Hamdan is currently the Crown Prince of Dubai. He is also popularly known as Faza, which is an Arab word which means helper of all. He writes poems under the same name. The fourth child of Dubai's Vice President and PM Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid. He started his studies in Dubai but went to London for further studies. While there after graduation, Prince studied further from the London School of Economics. He has often been talking about the discipline and teamwork that came due to his studies in his interviews. Despite being an elder brother of Faza, he has made Crown Prince in 2008. By the way, in 2015, his elder brother Sheikh Rashid bin Mohammed died of the heart attack at the age of only 33. Faza is quite popular due to his ability and his way of handling the media, and he is associated not only with the Crown Prince but also with many business institutions. By the way, this Crown Prince is known for his elegance and billionaire lifestyle. He keeps on posting pictures of his lifestyle and especially the hobby of traveling on Instagram every day. His fan following on Instagram is no less than a celebrity. More than 5.1 million people follow his account. He also has 2.41 million followers on Twitter. On all these accounts, he constantly puts pictures of skydiving, horse riding and cycling, especially here his love for travel is visible. Prince keeps going from one inaccessible place to another. His pictures while climbing in snowy places or roaming in desert places collect millions of likes in a minute.